Hey there, health enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Diagnose and Fitness, where we will dive in the fascinating world of medical mysteries and debunk common health myths. Today we are tackling a question that has been plaguing minds of ages. Does high blood pressure cause nosebleeds? But before we get in the nitty gritty of this topic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our informative health content. Trust us, you won't want to miss this one. Have you ever been worried about a sudden nosebleed and thought, is this a sign of something more serious? Well, you are not alone. Today we are separating fact from fiction and you are about to discover some jaw dropping insight that will change the way you think about high blood pressure and those pesky nosebleeds forever. So grab your notepads, sit back, and get ready for eye-opening ride as we uncover the high blood pressure and nosebleeds. It's not as simple as it seems. But first, let's get down the basics. What exactly is high blood pressure and how does it relate to those unexpected nosebleeds? Let's dive right. What is high blood pressure or hypertension? Hypertension, high blood pressure includes a systolic blood pressure over 130 millimeters of mercury and diastolic blood pressure over 80 mmHg. High blood pressure or hypertension puts a person at higher risk for stroke and heart disease. Symptoms of high blood pressure. The American Heart Association says high blood pressure typically has no symptoms. So people should have regular doctor visit and know their usual blood pressure number. The hypertensive crisis is when a person's blood pressure rises too quickly and is severely high. Readings of hypertensive crisis are 180 mmHg over 120 mmHg or higher. Someone in a hypertensive crisis may have symptoms such as headache, dizziness, loss of consciousness, chest pain, shortness of breath, difficulty speaking, change in vision, numbness or weakness, vomiting, decreased urine output. Hypertensive crisis is an emergency that requires immediate medical intervention. Best supplements for lowering the blood pressure. Some people believe supplements can help lower blood pressure. These includes potassium, magnesium, and folic acid. It's important to speak with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements. High blood pressure is a common issue. A person can reduce high blood pressure by following a healthful diet, exercising, and avoiding smoking. According to American Heart Association AHA, nearly half of all adults in the United States have high blood pressure, also called hypertension. Having hypertension increases a person's risk of heart failure, heart attacks, and strokes. Leading a healthful lifestyle can reduce blood pressure. This includes eating a healthful, low salt diet, getting regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, not smoking, and limiting the intake of alcohol. Do supplements work? Some evidence suggested that certain supplements could help lower blood pressure. However, most of relevant studies have been of low quality or included small sample sizes. According to the AHA, there is no special pills, vitamins, or drinks that can substitute for prescription medications and healthful modifications. The AHA recommended talking to a doctor before taking any supplement to lower blood pressure because supplements may not work as advertised and some can raise high blood pressure. But some supplements that can reduce the hypertension. Potassium. Potassium is a mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. When too much salt or sodium in food increases person's blood pressure, potassium clears the sodium from the body. Sodium causes high blood pressure because it stops the kidney from removing water from the body efficiently. Carrying excess water leads to a hike in the blood pressure. Potassium helps to reduce the blood pressure in two ways by causing the body to get rid of more sodium in the urine by relaxing the walls of blood pressure or blood vessels. The AHA do recommended eating high blood pressure. The AHA do recommended eating high potassium foods to help manage blood pressure. These includes dried apricots, spinach, tomatoes, avocados, mushrooms, etc. Magnesium. Magnesium is another mineral that plays important role in regulating blood pressure. It supports many processes in the body, including muscles and nerve function, the immune systems and protein synthesis. The recommended dietary allowance of magnesium for adults is 310 to 420 mg. Foods rich in magnesium include almonds, spinach, peanuts, black beans, avocados. Dietary fibers. Dietary fiber is important for keeping the heart and gut healthy. Eating enough dietary fibers can help lower cholesterol level, blood pressure, the risk of cardiovascular disease. Now we will move to the basic question: does high blood pressure cause nosebleed? High blood pressure is typically no direct cause of nosebleed. However, having high blood pressure may put a person at higher risk for nosebleeds or make it more difficult to stop them. What is the link between high blood pressure and nosebleeds? The link between high blood pressure and nosebleeds is controversial in the medical world, and several studies have explored the connection. A study 2020 involving 71,498 people found that those with high blood pressure had a higher risk of nosebleeds than those without it. They also visited the emergency room more often and required more nasal packing procedures. An older study, 2015, measured the blood pressure of 80 people over 3 months and found that half the participants experienced regular nosebleed. Researchers found no clear connection between nosebleeds and blood pressure readings. They concluded that high blood pressure do not cause nosebleeds, but the bleeding was more difficult to control in people with high blood pressure. Other causes of nosebleeds. Nosebleeds occur when delicate blood vessels in the nasal sputum rupture. This can have various causes such as dry air, infections, allergies, trauma, alcohol misuse, taking anticoagulant medications, cocaine use. How to stop a nosebleed? If a person has a nosebleed, following steps can help to stop the bleeding. Sit or stand with and tip the head slightly forward. Apply pressure to the nose for 10 minutes and pinching the Apply pressure to nose for 10 minutes by pinching the cartilage at the tip of nose. Apply ice if available to the bridge of nose. Avoid it pulling the head backward and causing blood to flow down the back to the throat. If bleeding is severe and does not stop, the person may need medical treatment to stop the nosebleed. Well, there you have it, folks. We have reached the end of our journey into the world of high blood pressure and its connection to nosebleeds. I hope you have found this information as enlightening as I have. Remember, while high blood pressure itself might not be the primary cause of nosebleeds, it can still be a significant factor. It's essential to keep your blood pressure in check for your health overall and well being. If you suspect you have high blood pressure, please contact a healthcare professional for guidance and management. Thank you for tuning into the Diagnose and Fitness. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Knowledge is power, and we want to empower as many people as possible. If you have any question, comments, and want us to cover more health related topics, please drop them in the comment section below. We love hearing from you and catering our content for your interest. Stay informed, stay healthy, and remember we are here to guide you through the maze of medical mysteries. So, until next time, take care and keep exploring the fascinating world of health and science with us. And as always, stay subscribed, hit the notification bell, and follow us on Facebook for the latest updates. See you in the next video.